Hi everyone, just a bit of an update really from the garage. Been doing quite a bit of it recently. Firstly, just to show that I'm getting at the belts, so checking the belts and finding that everything's good. Been checking for play, the correct tension of the belt, basically with a 5mm. There's various ways of doing it, but I've been using a 5mm, pushing it through, just about forces through there, and that proves if the 5mm Allen wrench goes through that top one between the belt and the pulley, then that proves it's about the right tension, and that's forcing it through. And the same with the upper one. There's a pulley for the upper one there. Sorry about lighting, isn't that brilliant? So the other thing is the rollers, which these ones here. There's 2 roller bearings there, which I'm going to replace. The belts don't look too bad, but I'm going to replace the belts anyway. And there's the roller bearings up here as well. So to show you the belts. There's the belts, the new belts. And there's the new belts here. Just standard belts I got. They look very similar actually to the ones in the bike at present. So there they are there. Just to show you those. Very robust. I think it's fairly standard now, the belts are made very robustly. So they're there. The covers which I've cleaned up. Took the battery, obviously you have to take the battery off. There's all the other bits and bobs that I've taken off. It takes ages to get all the the fairings off, but that's that. There's the lithium battery which I have in there, and I've had in there now for a year. Brilliant battery, light as a feather, absolutely. And you can do a quick test actually while it's out, showing 3 blue dots, which is fully charged, so I'll keep that charged. And just to show you the old battery and show you the comparison to, that's the old Motorvat, and that's the and there's the little lithium. There's a little lithium battery there, weighing nothing. That weighs a ton. Yeah, there it is. There's the comparison. So yeah, I've had to put spacers in, obviously, for the new. You can see them upstairs. So I put the spacers in. There's a spacer that I put in because it's a lot smaller battery. So that's that. I've done completely new seals in the suspension on the shower forks, so I've had them out, looking very good now. The stanchion's actually immaculate, which is good because that saves the seals getting damaged. That probably took me about 2 days to do both the stanchions. Took them out, put the new seals in, and obviously put new oil in, 7.5 weight. The old oil which came out, I don't know if you can see it here, there it is. That's probably 20 years old, that came out of the forks, because the new is clear. The new 7.5 is absolutely clear, just like water. But yeah, so really pleased with that, and you can feel it on the suspension itself. So yeah, so I'm just getting there at the moment. I'm just going to take spark plugs out so I can turn the engine over and get all the dots lined up. So on the pulleys, as you probably know, you've got to get the dot. Let's see, a dot. There's the dot on the pulley, and it's got to be lined up with. Sorry about this. Just try and show you. Yeah. There we are. There's the dot on the pulley. If I'll just put some light on it, You can see the little dot at the top left there, left hand side top, little red dot there. That's the first one that has to be lined up. Obviously it coincides with the centre one, which is down there. God, it's very difficult to see. And the other thing is I've greased up all the linkage for the throttle. So that's good. Also put in new pads in the Brembos. As you can see, it's all smartened up with new pins and locks there. So new pads front, all round, and in the rear as well. So slowly working my way through getting it all updated. So that's it for now. That's also a good idea. We're doing a big Lincolnshire run out next year for NHS, so that'll be fun and hopefully raise some money for them. So speak to you soon, and I'll let you know how it goes with the belt changes and also the bearing, which got a new set of bearings there for the adjuster roller, 2 bearings each, 2 there, so they're the new ones to go in. Okay, well thanks so much for watching. Sorry it wasn't brilliantly filmed, but anyway, there we go, all good fun. Oh, took that out for a good ride yesterday, the Aprilia, so yeah, that was fun. Nice little run round, and yeah, the weather's a bit better now. We can do it all, a little run round to somewhere where we can exercise or do a little bit of shopping. It's nice to do it on the bike, all legal and everything. Anyway, thanks for watching. Speak to you soon. Bye.